Hey guys, what's up? Happy Sunday. I'm gonna work on the 62 Panelvan here a little bit. Just mess around in the garage, have some fun. I want to get the passenger side rear brake drum off, the axle nut, the brake drum. I want to do the two fronts and get those off and just get all the wheels turning freely. And after that, maybe mess around with the engine a little bit. I picked up a battery and we'll see if we can hook this up and maybe get the lights to turn on. That'd be neat. Alright, see ya. Alright, well, I thought I was going to be able to use my torque multiplier that I used on the Gias, but the holes aren't lining up. And the top holes line up, which I'm assuming that's what that's for, but then the bolts don't fit through. So I'm not sure why those holes are smaller, but those would have to be drilled out. So I don't want to mess with drilling those out right this second. Let me see if we can we'll see if we can get this cheater bar on here and loosen it up. Hopefully, because I really want to move forward with this. All right, hold on. So that's awesome. Got the axle nut off. I gotta find out why why those don't come drilled out. If you guys know, let me know. But you know, these work fine on the 4-bolt hubs, and I just assumed that those would go to the 5, and they do, but the hole is not big enough. So you'd have to drill this out for that to work. I don't know why those are smaller. If you know, let me know. Okay, now we're gonna get the drum puller on here. And some guys just said, you know, asked, did you try to adjust the little star nut to see if you could back the pads off? The issue is you can't get to it because it's seized in a place where normally you could turn the wheel to get to it, but it's not at that point. Let me just double check, but yeah, there's no star right there. The star is actually I can't even see it anywhere, so that's not an option. There is number 2. Rear passenger side. Alright, let's get these brake pads off here so we can put the wheel back on and we can have the wheels free to move. As you can see, the axles are free. It's just the brake pads were sealed up against the drum, so rusted on there. Let's get these off.
right?
Yep.
That's a nightmare. What I would do is I come right here. You're going to be putting new pistons on anyway, right?
Yeah.
Get that. just get
I'm
that
gonna
out
leave
to
the
that.
keys right here on this
You mean
table.
a pry bar?
I need that, yeah, or a small another screwdriver.
So Alan, I hope I see you guys before spooky. You have to come over. with the
I would love
kids
to.
Or something.
Well, I'm going to talk to Matt about.
Shut up.
Alright, see ya.
All right, we're headed to Park Ave CDs. Want anything?
Hey guys, not sure where we left off, but a friend of mine stopped by and helping me out a little bit, see what was going on. But I ended up cleaning some of this, hitting this with some brake clean. Cleaned up pretty good. So we're gonna get all the bearings. We'll get all that cleaned up really good. It's looking nice. So get all the wheels rolling, get all these old brake pads off here, and get some rolling wheels so we can move it around a little bit better. Although the wheel dollies work pretty good, I just wanted to make sure all the wheels were all the hubs were gonna come off. That was a concern of mine. And then we are gonna start focusing on the engine, see if we can get that baby running. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Hey, if you don't mind, I really like it when you guys comment and the thumbs up. You know, you don't have to write a book. You could just say, hey man, this is cool, or great project, or whatever. Just anything helps keep me motivated. And I want to give a shout out to all my other YouTubers out there that have garages and shops and that are doing the same thing. You guys keep it up and keep supporting everybody. Talk to you soon. Later. Alright, well, this is the original spare, or one of the original tires that ended up going inside and turned into the spare. But it was pretty well protected. Got that on there. Not sure if those are the correct tire sizes. They look kind of big. And then the other ones are all Volkswagen Beetle, Bug, Carmagia type wheels, a little smaller. It's good to see it with some tread on it. All those, you know, we're gonna end up putting on the original style rims with the original style tires at some point. It's good to just have it rolling. I know all the brake drums are free now, so now I can order all the brake parts.